8th Standard English, Term 1, Unit 3, Prose, Being Safe. Last class we had seen Section 1 and 2. Section 1 and 2, Prasant and his grandpa. It had one conversation, Prasant friends and grandpa, they had one conversation. Okay, what they had conversations, how to protect in our life, how to live our life. Grandpa gave more advice to them, and then they asked more questions to him. Whatever he asked, grandpa has given just some instruction how to live and how to protect in ourselves, in our life. Okay, just now, today we are going to learn about Section 3, Being Safe. Ravi asked to Grandpa, "Could you please tell us the safety measure to practice at home, Grandpa?" Yes, could you please tell us the safety measure to practice? Yes, how to live our life, then how to protect in ourselves. Could you tell us the safety measure to practice at home, Grandpa? Grandpa replied, "Sure, we should learn to put things back in the respective places after using them. We should learn to put things back in the respective places after using them. We should not play with knives and scissors, etc. After use these knives and scissors, just we have to keep away. We should not play with knives and scissors. Just that's necessary. Knives and scissors, okay. After using this, we have to keep in away. But we should not play with knives and scissors," Grandpa told to Ravi. Ravi, "I believe you are getting a call. I believe you are getting a call, Grandpa. Here is your mobile phone." Yes, his call came. "Here is your mobile phone," Ravi informed to Grandpa. Grandpa, "Thank you, Ravi. I think it is my old friend Raghu." Grandpa told, "It is my old friend Raghu." "Madam, wow, a nice phone." After seeing this phone, Madam told, "Wow, a nice phone." Ravi, "Yes, it's a latest one too. This is the latest mobile phone. Latest one too. Grandpa bought it last week in Chennai." This mobile bought it last week in Chennai. Prasant, "I heard it works like a supercomputer." This mobile, after saying this mobile, the Prasant replied, "I heard it works like a supercomputer." Ravi replied, "Yes, of course. It is very useful for my projects too. Not only for speaking through this mobile, and also it is very useful for my projects too. It is very necessary to do our project." Grandpa replied, "These mobile phones are very useful. These mobile phones are very useful, but we should use it with care." It's very useful, but we should use it with care. "You should use it in the presence of an adults." Presence on an adults means that old ages. Okay, so you should use it with very care. You should use it in the presence of an adults. Prasant asked, "Tell us about the safety measures while using the internet, Grandpa." Then Prasant asked next question. What he has asked, "Tell us about the safety measures while using the internet." Yes, safety measures. Grandpa replied, Make yourself cyber safe by not posting your personal information, photos, vacations plans in the social media. In the social media, we should not post anything, personal information, photos, vacation plans. We should not post in the social media. So it's not good. Make yourself, okay, by cyber safe by not posting your personal information, photo, vacation plans. Then Peter replied, Grandpa, could you please tell us how to keep ourselves safe in our home? Peter asked, Grandpa, could you please tell us how to keep ourselves safe in our home? Yes, safe in our home. How to keep ourselves? How to keep? Can you give some suggestion? Grandpa replied, from fertilizer. Fertilizer, which means chemical. From chemicals to antifreeze. Antifreeze, which means a liquid that can be added to water to lower the freezing points. Medicine to make up set and poisonous items are kept away from the children in our homes. Whenever we're using that medicine, after use that, we have to keep away from the children in our homes. That is very safe. That's protect. Grandpa, could I have your views on using the medicines effectively? Could I have your views on using the medicines effectively? Asked question. Ravi replied, I think we should store all medicines out of sight and reach of children. We should store all medicines out of sight and reach of children only. Who's it? Ravi. Grandpa. Good. Yes, that is good. Medicine should be kept a locked cabinet. Yes, the open place we should not keep. How to keep? Should be kept a locked cabinet. Only we have to keep that medicine. Jaffer. I also think pills and syrups should be kept in their original containers. Original containers means box. Original box, and the leftover pills should always be counted. Yes, we have to use that. Should be kept in their original box, and the leftover pills should always be counted. Grandpa, that is nice idea. Ravi replied, I get it. Medicine should be stored in their original containers, and we should keep a count, avoid misuse. Medicine should be stored in their original containers, original box, and we should keep a count, avoid misuse. Yes, if we counted the medicines, okay, so that it will not misused. That's we have to keep it. We have to keep this safely, keep away from the children in our home. So that is better. Grandpa, hazardous automotive and gardening products should be secured and kept locked. Hazardous, which means risky or dangerous. Dangerous automotive and gardening products should be secured and kept locked. Yes, that's medicines. That's already told. That is not poisonous items. So you have to keep away from the children. Hazards, dangerous automotive and gardening products should be secured, keep locked. Devi, a first aid kit is a must in every household, which should also have an emergency instruction inside it. First aid kit is must in every household. Yes, very important, the first aid kit. We should also have an emergency instruction inside it. Yes. If we have some injuries, just we have to take the first aid box, then we have to take the treatment. So that is first aid. Grandpa, right? It's nice to see kids coming up with wonderful idea. Yes, that is wonder. After hear that, the news information, it's nice to see kids coming up with wonderful ideas. Grandpa said that like, children, thank you, Grandpa, for your guidance. Yes, finally, children told to him, thank you, Grandpa, for your guidance. We shall follow your advice and together protect ourselves from dangers. We should protect ourselves from dangers. We should follow your guidance and advice. Grandpa, it's getting late. We can talk more tomorrow. Take care, children. It's getting late. We can talk more tomorrow. Take children. Okay, just Grandpa told. It's like just glossary. Fertilizer, chemical or natural substance added to land to increase its fertility. Antifreeze, a liquid that can be added to water to lower the freezing point. Hazardous, risky or dangerous. Emergency, often dangerous situations requiring immediate action. So thank you.